But it became apparent very quickly that that was not enough. That notwithstanding the abundant evidence of his guilt, I needed to show something more. I needed to show that it was dangerous to keep him in office. Well, tragically, events since have proven my point, but I made a different argument at that point of the trial, which I think gets us to the present moment, which is that truth should matter to us. What's right should matter to us.
Really?
And even if it doesn't matter to the president, it should matter to us. That we are decent.
Yes.
As Americans, we are decent. We are good and decent people. As Americans, that's who we are. We don't believe that when someone is needing medical help that they should be turned away. We don't believe that we should turn our back on our neighbor. We believe in extending our hand. We believe we should be able to disagree with each other without it becoming a personal hatred or antagonism. We're Americans. This is who we are.